Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. At the first place, all praises and gratitude we pray for all the mercy and blessings that Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala gave us. So we can come together in this very happy event. Hello, my name is Nadeeba Shafa Yuri Amira, and you can call me Deba, and I study at Junior High School to Banyuwangi. So, the topic of my speech today is about juvenile delinquency. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to know that the delinquency committed by teenagers is very worrying. The teenager actions is getting worse by days, like smoking, fighting, bullying, and consuming narcotics are the examples of the teenager action. The moral values are almost gone. The big question for us, what do we should expect for our generation to be in the future? Ladies and gentlemen, due to worrying action of teenager, we must put our attention and try to figure out the solution for that. The teenager actions are caused by loads of factors. The weakness of their self-control, family disharmony, and the lack of parental control are the examples of the main factor causing the juvenile delinquency. But on the other view, the external factor such as the peer effect and the environmental effect can bring many negative effects to the teenagers. Technological development also can bring a lot of negative effects to the teenagers. To avoid juvenile delinquency, parental control is the most important thing for the teenager to have. Because research has shown that potential factors affecting the teenager to do such bad things are coming from the inside of the teenager rather than from the outside. Education for the juvenile delinquency must come first from the family rather than from the school. The moral values must be taught by the parents so that when the teenager go outside, they have a strong foundation that keep them stay safe from the negative things. Ladies and gentlemen, many strategies can be applied to keep our juvenile stay in the control. In the age of 16 to 19, the teenagers are very sensitive and unstable. What can parents do for them is to keep them busy doing good things. We can reduce their free time by giving them additional private learning or extracurricular lesson. Because if the teenagers have too long free time, then they surely feel boring, and if they do feel boring, that is the moment when they are very easy to do bad things. Not just because they wanted to do that, but also they are tempted to do that. Ladies and gentlemen, as a closing statement, let us build a better future for our generation. Let us put our attention into this matter to save our generation from the moral destruction. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.